Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to prepare delicious and tasty millets pesarattu. In a bowl add 2 cups of whole moong, Whole moong is having many health benefits. Let's know about the health benefits. Whole moong are high in important vitamins, minerals, proteins and fiber. Research shows that they have property that can lower LDL cholesterol. It possesses several properties that help to keep blood sugar level low. Add 2 cups of mixed millets. I have mixed all the millets in equal ratio, that is Ross millet, foxtail millet, jawar millet, andhra millet and little millet. Let's know the benefits of mixed millets. Millet is rich in fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Millets help to reduce the amount of bad cholesterol in your blood. Millets help to maintain a healthy weight. Wash them thoroughly. And let it soak for overnight in a water, and we are going to grind using the same water the next morning. Moong and millets are soaked well. Add 1 small cup of soaked flattened rice. I have soaked just for 10 minutes, that's sufficient. Salt to taste. Grind it in a grinder. Now let it ferment for 8 hours. After 8 hours of fermentation, pesarattu batter doubles in size. The batter is very fluffy, so it has fermented very well. Let's make dosa using the pesarattu batter. On a hot tawa, pour the batter and rotate it in a circular direction. Add some oil. Let it fry until it is golden brown. Detach the edges and just flip it over carefully. Today I am not going to add any masala to it. Just we are doing a plain pesarattu. Gently press it so that it becomes crispy. Crispy and tasty pesarattu is ready. Serve it with chutney and sambar. Try this wonderful and healthy recipe at your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Always eat healthy, stay healthy. Thank you.